So here we are coming in through the mudroom. I really like this room. I don't think there's anything that needs to be done. You've got the attached garage here. And we've got a full bath right here off the mudroom. Shower's tucked in behind that door. And we're gonna walk up. And I love how all the doors are original from the 1800s. Obviously, the kitchen is not original. But big spacious kitchen. And then we have this room here, which they were using as their like dining room area. You've got this cool room that they've added on. We've got the laundry room area. Another half bath.